You can set personal preferences within your account to determine how Symbaloo works. To do this, navigate to the Preferences link here. From this page, ensure that Preferences is selected from the menu on the left side, and you'll be presented with a list of settings and preferences for your account. From here, you can choose which center box is displayed, what happens to your last search, where typing input is displayed when Symbaloo is first opened, whether or not you would like to show rotating wallpapers on your account, and you can also choose whether tiles are opened in a new tab or current tab, and which webmix is displayed when you first open Symbaloo. Once you've made your selections, click Save Settings. If your changes were successful, you should see a message here at the top. If you've run into any issues or if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you.